Hello and welcome. This is Gordon De Silva, and this is a 2-minute briefing on our accounting project. If you would like to know a bit more about it, there is a 12-minute explanation of the same thing where we take a little bit more time to explain the process. Our accounting system is delivered on time, on target, and on budget. The problem most clients have is they want the accounts done right, that they have to apply to the legal obligations, file with the Inland Revenue and Companies House, and pay the right amount of tax. They also want to pay the minimum amount of tax and have all of this done on time and on budget. Typically, they'd want some information from their accounts. They should want some information from their accounts. The information may be as simple as how much have they sold, how much money have they made, how much profit have they made, how much tax do they owe. And they want the whole thing delivered on budget. The results they want is they want the accounts always on time and no penalties. They want the budget fixed, and so we have fixed fees. They want the tax minimized. We have a process to make sure that happens, and they want regular check-ins to see if they're okay, just to make sure with any problems they can be solved, and definitely analysis to explain the figures. Benchmarking is also available, so you can see how you're doing against your competitors, so whether they're growing faster than you, whether they're more profitable than you. This is a great way of identifying ways of doing better for yourself. How do we do this? We adopt modern and up-to-date technology. We are really good at adopting the best of the best to make it easier, faster, quicker. We want consistent communication so that the lines of communication between you and us are open. We want regular feedback from you, and we give you regular feedback on your numbers so you can improve your business and your profitability. We have a helpline in case you are stuck and want to call us anytime. You can do that and make sure we're there to help you. And we have automated reminders so that cheaply you can stay right up to date with what we need from you to keep you safe. The process we use is very systematic. We have a pre-year-end tax planning review with you a couple of months before the year end. We identify if there's anything we need to do to help you save tax for the year. We send you year-end reminders telling you that the accounts are now due and can we have your information. We send you reminders until the records are received. That way you'll never forget that you need to give us the information. That way there's no penalties and paying unnecessary fines to the Revenue and Companies House. Accounts will be drafted within 3 weeks so that you will have information to yourself with queries, and the accounts then finalize after your queries to us and our queries to you are cleared. The benefits for all of this is that we have tax planning which minimizes tax bills, so you always pay the least amount of tax. You have reminders that ensure you never miss a deadline. You have analysis to maximize the value from your data, from your accounts. They have a lot of information to give you that can save you tax and also make you more money. And benchmarking, of course, is a great way to identify areas for improvement, and it's all delivered on time, on target, and on budget, as you can see. The benefits are we have in packages sales and marketing tips, one or two a week, so 4 a month. Typically use one of those a month, you'll get at least 10 times the value of our fees in increased sales. We have a marketing vault if you choose the right package, which is full of information on how to improve your website, how to improve sales, how to write a sales letter, all of those sort of things. Google ads, so that you just make the most of your business. We pay for that. It's subject to the package you choose, and that's available to you. We have a quick fix call, so if you have a problem you can get unstuck very quickly, typically under 15 minutes. We'll get you either an answer or direct you to where you can get an answer. And of course we do dividend planning to make sure you stay safe. Rather than paying 20% tax, if you get this wrong you could pay 46% tax. It's not worth the risk. And with the information you have decision-making information available to you to help you improve your sales, profits, and cash flow. So the next step, if you like what you hear, is either listen to the longer video or get a 15-minute check, followed by the 15 minutes is just to make sure I can answer your questions, you can answer a couple of mine to make sure we're in the right place, followed by a 45-minute consultation in the next day or week to make sure we are really the right fit for you and you're the right fit for us. Identify the package of choice. You have a look on the site. There are some various packages for you, and choose the one you like, and we can discuss that when you call. And then if we agree on everything, we can get started. So there you have it. The longer version is available for you to explain a little bit more about these processes. Until we speak, take care of yourself in business. Goodbye.